Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Just yesterday, when I came to know how a Russian lady, Nina Kutina, lived for many years in the caves along with her little daughters. And she tells that she has lived in the caves for last many years and in different countries, that is, she tells nearly 20 countries of the world, and she has lived in the caves. You might be knowing where Gokarna is. Gokarna is in the North Kannada district of Karnataka. It is nearby to Goa. So she was living in Goa, and from there she had come to Gokarna and started living in the caves. Just imagine a lady alone living in the forest, that too it is dense forest. And Gokarna is a very beautiful place. If you have visited, you might have seen the sea beach, and there is one more Om beach, and we are having our well-known temple there, Gokarneshwar, that is Shankara's temple. I have visited Gokarna many times, but I had not seen these caves and all. And you are knowing, a foreigner, a Russian lady, for last 8 years, she is living in India, that too illegally. Why I am telling illegally? Because her passport is over. Now, people were really surprised who is her husband and everything. And now everything has been revealed. Her husband is an Israel businessman. And you are knowing, very nice person. When I saw his interviews and all on the TV, really, I think that he is just next to Jesus Christ. He accepted everything. He told how they were living in Goa together, and how he used to send money for the daughters and everything. Very nice personality. The person, how he speaks, when he came to know, in last few months, Nina had not what I can informed him where she is living and all, but because of the news and everything, media, he came to know that, and he told everything frankly. Very nice, outspoken man. Everything he told, how they met one another and how they were lived together, how they had the daughters, and these both daughters are his daughters, and he used to spend money for both of them. When now you will be surprised how police came to know about that. In Gokarna, we had a landslide because of heavy rains. That is why police were patrolling in the mountains. And when they were patrolling in this dense forest, they saw some clothes were put and everything. Then they went near the cave. They saw that one girl was sleeping because one daughter is 7 years old and another is 4 years old, and another was playing there. Then Nina Kutina came and they spoke and everything over. Police took them and they are now in the detention center, and government is trying to send her to Russia. At the same time, her husband tells that she should not be sent to Russia because he may not be able to meet his daughters. And even she herself requests that she should be allowed to stay in India. Now, when it was asked why she is staying in those mountains, in those areas, in that caves, you are knowing forests and everything, she told that she is in love with nature. She loves nature very much. And especially in Gokarn, in those mountains, there are more than 12 types of poisonous snake. When it was asked, she told, "No, snakes are my friends," she said. And she explained how happy she was in the caves. Yeah, they used to take bath under the waterfall. They used to swim in the rivers, and even from the caves they can have a look at the sea. And she used to go to the nearby village. She used to buy the food items. She used to recharge her phone. So people are telling that since January she is staying there. They have seen her. But they never asked where she is staying, because you are knowing in the Goa you are having good nice beaches, so you are having so many foreigners coming and staying there. There are so many guest houses and everything. So no one asked where she stays, and no one knew that she is staying in the caves for such a long time. She tells she used to cook nice food. She used to take care of her daughters, that is homeschooling. Apart from that, she used to teach them art, crafts, meditation and all. See, with the minimum needs, people can live. And a lady with such high living standards, yeah, and how she is able to stay there. But she tells she is very happy. She told she had not taken her daughters to the doctor till now. And even doctors, when they were taken to the detention center, they were physically checked and all. And even the doctors tell that they are hale and hearty. Means good health, all of them are having. She had not gone to the doctors, and even her delivery, she had done her own. All deliveries on her own. She tells, I don't need any nurse, any doctor or anyone to help me. On her own she has done, and she is living so happily. She tells she was very happy in the forests, in the caves. They used to enjoy there. They used to swim in the rivers. And she tells she was very happy. There was no problem at all to her. So what this shows us that our needs are simple, and people can live happily. Not only happily, a healthy lifestyle. You can live even in the forest. Because even today people are not going to the those jungles, because dense forest there. And Hina Kutina used to stay there alone with her daughters. She tells she used to get up with the sun, she used to go to the bed with the sun, she used to do meditation, and in the nature she was very, very happy. So this shows us that nature looks after us very well. Okay, have a nice day.